What's up, guys? Logan back again today with Free Spirit Recreation. We are super excited about this one. Here at FSR, we're driven to make the most innovative and high quality products in the industry. It is our goal to continue to evolve to become the best company that all of our customers expect us to be. What I have here behind us is a testament to the community feedback from all of those great customers that have stuck by our side throughout the years. Our top of the line tent just got better. This is the Evolution V2. Let's break it down. All right, as always, let's start with the exterior of the tent, which has largely remained the same because if it ain't broke, don't fix it. It's still got the great lightweight, rugged aluminum construction with the honeycomb top that all of our hardshell tents have to offer. That means you're gonna be able to take on just about anything, whether it's rain, snow, dirt, sunshine, even those pesky tree limbs on the trail, this tent's gonna be able to take it all. And it does all of this at a lowly 9.5 inches, which means you're gonna take a minimal hit to your gas mileage. Moving on to the carrying capacity of the V2, it's no exception here. We've still got our great channel systems that run down all sides of the tent. We have 2 on top and 2 on bottom. This is gonna be able to give you the capability to carry all kinds of stuff. I mean, you can put light bars up here, shovels and axes on the side. It's so strong, in fact, that you're gonna be able to attach our 270 awning directly to the side of the tent. We also have crossbars, which are sold separately. They mount directly into the channel system that allow you to carry all your additional gear up top. Up to 225 pounds can be stored up here. That means you can bring all your toys with you, whether you're bringing kayaks, paddle boards, skis, snowboards, even a fly rod holder can be stored up here. Here at FSR, we don't cut corners anywhere. Everything down to the hinges and the latches are built to the highest quality standard and are going to last the lifespan of the tent. If you do have any problems with it, it's gonna be extremely easy to replace. Okay, let's talk about the underside of the tent, which is unique to Free Spirit. We've got this awesome slatted design that runs the length of the tent, and above it is our EPE fully weather sealed pad. This does a couple of things for us. One, it's gonna allow us to bring the weight way down, and then 2, it allows it to breathe so that you have minimal condensation. We've also got our mounting channels that run the length of the tent that allow you to fully customize how you want to mount things. And for the V2, they've been totally blacked out to keep that stealthy look. Let's talk about the 2 different sizes. We've heard the feedback. Everybody likes the bigger size, so we are no longer gonna be changing the widths. Instead, we're gonna be changing the lengths. This is our standard size, which we will be calling the long, and the dimensions are right here. And this is the Evo Short. This size is specifically designed for below cab applications on 5'7" beds and above. It also works great if you have a smaller vehicle similar to a Subaru or a Toyota RAV4. This tent's gonna get the job done. And the dimensions are right here. Now that you've seen the exterior and all the same great features it provides, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and check out all the new goodies that are on the inside. We'll start with none other than our telescopic ladder, which is 8 feet when fully extended. It hooks onto the ladder mounts right here. Let's just pull it down and extend it. Now we'll open this tent up in real time. It's an extremely quick process. We'll start with the latches on the front. Move to the rear. We got 3 more here at the back. Last one. 8 in total all around the tent. Push this up. Gas struts make that a breeze. We'll move back to the front to finish the process up. Just give it a little nudge. And just like that, your tent's all open and done. Okay, we'll begin with the outside and then move to the interior just to make sure we showcase every aspect of the new V2, starting with none other than our proprietary tri-layer tent material. The tri-layer material is created through a process known as sonic welding. Essentially what this means is it's similar to a down jacket at home in the sense that we put poly cotton in between 2 separate layers of 150 ripstop denier. What that does for us is it gives us an insulation factor that is much greater than just about every other rooftop tent on the market. Not only do we have customers camping in the winter in Canada, we have people in the desert camping in the summers. It is a true 4-season tent that will do it all. Version 2 now comes with this awesome hexagon pattern that is even more ruggedized than version 1. Moving on up, we've got our same great vents that allow for awesome airflow, and we've got flaps on the back of the version 2 that totally seal it up, making the insulation go that much further. Next to the vents, you'll notice that we have wind and rain guards that combine with the top shell that is off-centered to act as an awning. All of this keeps you out of the elements. And you can't forget about the shoe bags. Come on inside, let's check out all the new stuff. Okay, now that we're inside, you get an idea of how much room this tent really has to offer. I mean, there's a ton of headroom and space inside, nearly a queen-size mattress, which is great for 2 people. You can even put a kid or a dog in here if you need that extra room. There's tons of space to also play games and hang out. No longer are you just sleeping in here. We've also blacked out the interior. That's why it's a little bit dark in here, but when the sun comes up, you might want to sleep in, so we're giving you that opportunity. A lot of the interior changes have come from customer feedback. That's what has led us to make all these changes. One of the biggest things was pocket design. You guys didn't like it, we heard you, so we've decided to go over the top with pockets. We've got 4 of these dump pockets in each corner of the tent. We've got huge oversized pockets, 2 of them up at the top, and then we've now got cargo nets for, jackets and any of that larger stuff on each side. Sometimes rooftop tent LED lights can be too bright. For that reason, we've added a dimmable light that really gives you the ability to set the mood, and it's all powered by one of those USB battery banks. Up top, we've got a fantastic feature that is unique to Free Spirit as well. The tent material doesn't actually connect to the shell, which allows us to have this vent here that the hot air rises out to cool it down, airflow moves through, and really gives you an opportunity to kind of set the temperature that you're looking for. Next up is windows, which have received a massive upgrade over Generation 1. Starting with the front window, we've now separated the tri-layer from the bug mesh. In case you wanted to look at the stars at night when you're sleeping, or you wanted to cool down, you can now separate them. They each have their own individual zippers. Here we are at the back window now, or door, should I say. You guys asked, we delivered. We've now got multiple ways to enter and better viewpoints. Not to mention, it's similar to the front in the sense that you have tri-layer and bug mesh. Even the side windows have been upgraded from 2 separate zippers to 1 consecutive one. Not to mention, the zips are extremely smooth. Last but not least, one of the favorite changes that we have made to the version 2 evolution is going to be our AirCore self-inflating mattress. This thing is an absolute dream to sleep on. It gives you the capability with these vents at the front of the tent to inflate and deflate the tent to your desired comfort. If you like a bit of a more firm mattress, we will have an optional pump for that. It will give you the capability to suck the air out to keep even more stuff inside. But regardless, you're gonna be able to put tons of equipment in here, sleeping bags, pillows, even the ladder stores inside. All right, so that's the Evolution V2, our top of the line tent. It doesn't get much better than this. It has a crazy amount of great features. And if you have any questions or concerns about it, please give us a call or email us at any time, as we're always here to help. And as always, happy camping.